You walk in and feel it instantly. The demand to advance, lead, and deliver with AI is everywhere. The challenge is real, and your next move matters. That's where LearningTree empowers you and your organization to take action with clarity and practical, real-world application. No confusion, no empty promises. Just hands-on training that prepares you and your team for the realities of today's AI-driven world with customized training solutions. Recently, a mission-critical government team came to us, ready to build AI capability from the ground up. They needed a solution they could trust, secure, practical, and tailored to their work. We delivered a dedicated program designed to their unique requirements. The team gained role-specific skills they could use right away, achieved reliable results, and made progress aligned with their priorities. The journey continues. As new challenges surface, LearningTree stands with you. We help you discover opportunities, develop new strengths, and move your teams forward, step by step. Ready to make your next breakthrough in AI? Start with LearningTree. Gain the skills, confidence, and progress to support your mission and your organization's future.